Hi there, and welcome to this tutorial. Today, I'll walk you through the process of buying Bitcoin and sending it directly to your Blockstream Green wallet. If this is your first time buying Bitcoin or using a wallet, don't worry. We'll cover everything from start to finish. Let's dive in. To get started, head over to getbittr.com and click on Buy Bitcoin. The first thing you'll need to do is enter your email address. Once that's done, check your inbox for an email from Bittr and click on the verification link. Well done. Next, you'll need to enter the IBAN of the bank account you want to use. After that, it's time to pick your wallet. Select Other Wallet from the options. Bittr will then prompt you to sign a message with your Green wallet. But before we get to that, let's set up your wallet first. Go to the app or Play Store and download Green Wallet. I've included the link in the description below. Once you've got the app installed, let's set it up. We'll be creating a new wallet on this device, so tap on this device. Here you'll have two choices: create a new wallet or restore an old one using a recovery phrase. We'll create a new wallet. The app will now display your recovery phrase. These are the words you'll need to recover your wallet if anything happens to your device. This step is crucial, so make sure to carefully write down each word. Tap Show Recovery Phrase and choose between 12 or 24 words. Feel free to pause the video while you write them down. Once you're ready, click Next. Green Wallet has a handy feature to double-check that you've written down your recovery phrase correctly. You'll be asked to fill in some blanks with the right words. After you've done that, just set a PIN to secure your wallet. And there you have it. Your wallet is all set up. Great job. Let's create an account now to continue. Choose the standard wallet option. Tap the button to open your wallet. From here, go to Receive and then tap on More Options. Under More Options, you'll find List of Addresses. This is where you'll see your wallet addresses. Copy one of these addresses and then return to the Bittr website. Paste your address into the Bittr website and then copy the message that Bittr shows. You'll need this message for the next step. Head back to the Green Wallet app. Tap on the symbol on the right to access the message signing feature. Paste the message you copied earlier and tap Sign Message. And there you go, the message is signed. Now, simply tap Copy Signature and head back to the Bittr website and paste it. Finally, click Verify. Bittr now asks you if you want to use an XPub or a single address. At this point in time, the Green Wallet doesn't come with the feature of showing the XPub, so the only option we have is to choose Use Single Bitcoin Address. And that's it. Bittr will now display all the details you need for your bank transfer. Just remember to use your personal payment description. You can simply copy IBAN and payment reference by clicking on them. Every time you send money with this description to Bittr, Bitcoin will be automatically sent to your Green Wallet. Let's quickly set up a bank transfer. Open your banking app and enter name, IBAN, and the amount you want to convert into Bitcoin. If you like to start a Bitcoin savings plan, you can set up a recurring bank transfer. I'm setting up a monthly transfer, so I only need to set it up once and everything runs automatically. Don't forget to add your payment description as a reference. Once the transfer is complete, head back to your email inbox. You should soon receive a confirmation email from Bittr that confirms that your Bitcoin purchase is complete and that Bitcoin has been sent to your wallet. The email also shows you all the important details like the Bitcoin amount you received and the exchange rate that was used for your purchase. And that's it. I hope this was useful. Stay humble and stack sats.